Hi guys, it's Miss Bigelow here. I'm going to show you guys today how to navigate Google Classroom, and I'm using Jose's account, which I already asked and they said it was okay with. So first you would see this page, and here are your different classrooms, like third grade title, with Miss Chamira, enrichment, and then here's our class, University of Dayton, so I would press on there. And this is your home screen. It's going to be called Stream. On there's going to be different announcements that Miss Pinkayla and I post, whether it's like, hey, check out this video, or we're posting about kids who are like the top scorers on Prodigy, or maybe we just want to tell you guys, like, have a great weekend, you worked really hard. But this is going to be where we're just posting announcements to you. And I know a lot of you guys have seen that you can also respond to what we're writing. So like down here, as you can see, like Dontel responded to Miss Pinkayla. So you are able to make comments on what we are leaving, the messages that we're leaving. Up here, you'll see classwork. That's the important thing. So you're going to press on classwork. And you're going to see different folders. You have reading, writing, math. So I'm going to go over a couple different assignments. So overview of reading and writing expectations. This is just a video of me talking about what to expect in reading and writing. There's nothing that you have to do other than watch it. Miss Pinkayla also has one under math, distance learning math expectations. It's a video of her explaining everything in more details. So last week I gave you a reading assignment about COVID-19, just to get you familiar with working online. So I'm going to press it. And I'm going to down to where it says view assignment. Now, if you were to press right here, introductory assignment, Google form, that takes you to the actual like worksheet. And then you would be typing your answers as you go through the assignment. I'm going to exit out of here though. Now, this is something that's really important because I saw a lot of you did not do this last week, which is totally fine because you didn't know about it, and neither did I. For me or Miss Pinkayla to actually see that you are done with your work and you're turning it in, you have to go here where it says mark as done. See up here it says missing. So Jose, along with many other scholars, did not press that mark as done. So to me, I don't see that you did the work. So make sure whenever you're done and you're ready to turn it in, you don't have any questions left, you press mark as done, because then that will show Miss Pinkayla and I, hey, this scholar is done with their work. Now we can go check your answers. So don't forget to do that really important part. So now let's scroll down to the writing assignment that I gave you last week, which is opinion writing. View assignment. See, as you can see, it says your work turned in. So on this one, Jose did say mark as done. So I was able to see that he was done. I was able to read his paragraph. And down here it says one private comment. I was able to comment on his assignment and just said, good paragraph, Jose. So make sure that when you're doing your assignments and you're done, go back to them and check to see if your teachers have left you a comment. Maybe it's, you know, something you did really good, or maybe something that you need to improve on for the next assignment. So those are going to be really important. Let's go back. So let's go to people at the very top. So you see Samantha Bigelow, who's me, and then you have this little mailbox. Say you want to email me something, you have questions about the assignment I posted, or you're not really sure how to navigate things, you can press on there. It's loading. So my email's already up there. You could type in like writing assignment, and then you could type your question and ask me something, and then I'll get the email, and then I can email back with you. So I'm going to exit out of here because I don't actually want to send an email. So, last thing that I want to tell you is on your stream over in the corner where it says upcoming, right now it says woohoo, no work that's due soon. But as the week's progressing, as math assignments and reading and writing assignments are getting posted, in that little box on the side, is going to be like reminders. Hey, you need to be doing this math worksheet, or you have this writing assignment that's due. So that's going to be like your little quick tab so you can see all of your things that are due for the week. I think that's it for navigating Google Classroom, the best that I can show you because I'm kind of new to it as well. Hopefully I helped answer any questions. Just make sure the really important thing is that you're turning in your assignments and you're marking them as done. All right? Bye, guys.